Listening to this video will be far more effective than watching a video. Ever wonder why some people instantly connect with everyone they meet? It's not magic, it's psychology. And today, I'm revealing 5 powerful mind hacks that will make people instantly like you. Stay till the end because number 5 is something even psychologists don't talk about. Number 1 is the mirror effect. If you want someone to like you, mirror their body language and speech. If they talk slowly, you talk slowly. If they lean in, you lean in. Subconsciously, their brain will think, wow, we're alike, and boom, instant connection. This trick is so powerful that even top salespeople and negotiators use it to build trust fast. Try it in your next conversation and watch the magic happen. Number 2 is the name trick. Want to make someone feel important and valued? Say their name, but don't overdo it. Instead of just saying, nice to meet you, say, nice to meet you, Sarah. Then repeat their name at least once in the conversation. The brain loves hearing its own name, so this simple trick will make you unforgettable. Number 3 is the power of genuine compliments. A well-placed compliment can instantly boost your likability, but here's the trick, it must be specific and personal. Instead of saying, you're nice, say, I love how positive your energy is, it's refreshing. Why does this work? Because vague compliments feel fake, but specific ones feel real. People appreciate when you notice small details about them. Number 4 is the 2-second eye contact rule. Eye contact is key to making people like you, but get it wrong, and you either seem shy or creepy. Here's the sweet spot. Hold eye contact for about 2 seconds, then break away briefly before re-engaging. This makes you seem confident, friendly, and engaging, without making anyone uncomfortable. Number 5 is the Benjamin Franklin effect. Here's a weird trick. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a small favor. It sounds strange, but when someone does you a favor like lending a pen, their brain justifies it by thinking, I must like this person if I help them. This psychological trick is so powerful that even politicians and CEOs use it to build stronger relationships. And there you have it. 5 powerful mind hacks that will make people instantly like you. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more powerful psychology hacks every week. See you in the next one.